Want to make instant crypto payments in stores or to friends? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to scan QR codes to pay using your Crypto.com app. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. QR code payments make spending crypto as easy as tapping your phone, whether you're using the Crypto.com Visa card or sending crypto directly. To pay with your Crypto.com Visa card, open the app and tap the Pay button at the bottom. This activates your card's QR code scanner for contactless payments at supported terminals. For sending crypto to another wallet, go to Transfer, Withdraw, Crypto, and use the QR code scanner to capture the recipient's wallet address automatically instead of typing it manually. The app will pre-fill all the details, and you just need to confirm the amount and authorize the transaction. It's much faster and eliminates typos in wallet addresses. A crucial pro tip: when paying with QR codes in stores, ensure you have sufficient fiat or crypto balance. For wallet transfers, always verify the first and last few characters of the wallet address even when using QR codes, as malicious codes can be designed to redirect funds. And just like that, you're making seamless, secure payments with just a scan. QR code technology bridges the physical and digital payment worlds perfectly. Where do you use QR code payments most often? Retail stores or person-to-person? Share your experiences in the comments. For bill management, watch our next video on how to pay bills with Crypto.com. Thanks for watching.